We should all know by now that Google My Business, or GMB, displays in search when people look for your brand name specifically. But did you know that your GMB listing can also show when customers are searching for specific services, products, or brands, such as frames? An insight from Bright Local found that 84% of searches are classified as discover searches. This means that people are looking for categories, products, or services that you offer, not your business name. So using your Google My Business is no longer optional. It's an essential part of any business's online presence and often the first place that customers look for up-to-date information about your optical practice. If you're just starting off with Google My Business, I recommend the following steps. Post regular up-to-date content in the post section. This is really similar to social media, so really easy to do. Share offers and updates as well as blog content, and always put that blog content directly on your website and share back through links. Make sure that all the information fields are filled out and kept up to date, and post your products, including a description, prices if you can, and links to your website. See if you can try and add 3 to 4 images per section. You can start using these tips straight away. Remember, a good rule of thumb is to plan your content in advance and vary your posts to maintain interest and engagement. By tapping into the power of Google My Business, practice can create a high level of trust and showcases professionalism in customer care. And finally, don't forget to keep those business hours up to date.